You've probably heard the saying, money can't buy happiness. But let's face it, having a solid financial foundation can bring a sense of security and freedom. Becoming rich is a dream for many, but achieving it is often easier said than done. To unlock the door to wealth, you need to understand and apply certain rules of money. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be diving into a super important topic that you absolutely need to know if you want to build wealth: the rules of money. Before we jump in, don't forget to smash that like button if you find this topic interesting. Alright, let's get started. The importance of financial education. A solid financial education empowers you with the knowledge and skills required to make smart choices about your money. It helps you understand the intricacies of financial concepts such as compound interest, inflation, and risk management. These foundational principles are essential for making informed decisions that can lead to financial success. Financial education can also be the key to unlocking opportunities that may have previously seemed out of reach. Whether it's starting your own business, investing in the stock market, or purchasing real estate, having a strong financial foundation can give you the confidence and skills needed to seize these opportunities and make the most out of them. The first step to mastering the rules of money is building a strong foundation in financial literacy. Financial literacy enables you to make informed decisions about your money and helps you avoid common pitfalls that can hinder your financial growth. To build a strong foundation on financial literacy, you'll need to familiarize yourself with several key concepts, including budgeting. This involves creating a plan for your money by tracking your income and expenses. Saving. Developing good savings habits is critical for financial success. Investing. Understanding the basics of investing is essential for growing your wealth. Credit and debt management. Knowing how to use credit responsibly and manage your debt effectively is crucial for maintaining a healthy financial life. Taxes. Having a basic understanding of the tax system and how it affects your finances can help you make smarter decisions that minimize your tax burden and maximize your financial resources. Retirement planning. Preparing for retirement is an essential part of financial literacy to ensure that you have enough money to sustain you during your golden years. Insurance. Understanding the role of insurance in your financial plan is critical for protecting your assets and providing financial security for your loved ones. Estate planning. Estate planning is an often overlooked aspect of financial literacy, but it's crucial for ensuring your assets are distributed according to your wishes after your death. Once you have a basic understanding of personal finance, it's crucial to continue expanding your knowledge. We'll explore various ways to further your financial education. Reading books on personal finance and wealth building is an excellent way to gain insights from experts and learn from their experiences. There are countless books available, covering topics ranging from budgeting and investing to entrepreneurship and financial independence. Make it a habit to read regularly and continually add to your financial library. Online courses. The internet offers a wealth of resources for those looking to expand their financial knowledge. Online courses are a flexible and convenient way to learn about specific financial topics in depth. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy offer various courses, often taught by industry experts and university professors. These courses cover subjects such as personal finance, investing, real estate, and more. Some courses are free, while others may require a small fee. Seminars and workshops. Attending financial seminars and workshops can be a great way to learn from experts in person, ask questions, and network with like-minded individuals. These events can cover a wide range of topics and often feature guest speakers with valuable insights and advice. Podcasts and YouTube channels. In today's digital age, podcasts and YouTube channels provide another avenue for expanding your financial knowledge. These platforms offer easily digestible content that you can listen to or watch on the go. You can subscribe to our channel to stay updated and gain more knowledge related to finance. Networking and mentorship. Building connections with knowledgeable and experienced individuals in the field of personal finance can be immensely beneficial. By seeking out mentors and networking with like-minded people, you can gain valuable insights, advice, and support. The rules of money. Now that we've established the importance of financial education, let's dive into the 10 rules of money that can help you build lasting wealth. Rule number 1, pay yourself first. Before you allocate your income to bills, savings, or investments, always set aside a portion for yourself. Paying yourself first means setting aside a portion of your income for savings and investments before allocating money for expenses. This habit ensures that you prioritize your financial future, creating a mindset focused on building wealth. Aim to save and invest at least 10 to 20% of your income each month. Automate this process by setting up direct deposits or automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts. making it easy to stay consistent and committed to your financial goals. Rule number 2, create multiple sources of income. Don't rely on a single source of income. Instead, diversify by creating multiple income streams, such as side hustles, rental properties, or investments. This not only increases your earning potential, but also provide financial security in case one income source is lost or reduced. Having various income sources not only boosts your overall earnings, but also provides a safety net during financial setbacks or job loss. Evaluate your skills, interests, and opportunities to identify the best income-generating options for your unique situation. Rule number 3, save and invest wisely. Saving alone won't make you rich. You need to invest your money to grow your wealth. Start by building an emergency fund to cover at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Then, focus on investing in assets that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Diversify your investments across stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and other options to minimize risk and maximize returns. Reinvest your earnings to take advantage of compound interest, allowing your money to grow exponentially over time. Rule number 4, have a financial plan. Create a financial plan that outlines your short-term and long-term financial goals. This plan should be flexible and adaptable to changing circumstances. Start by identifying your financial objectives, such as buying a home, retiring comfortably, or paying off debt. Then, create a detailed plan outlining the necessary steps and resources needed to achieve those goals. Review and update your financial plan regularly, ensuring it remains aligned with your evolving priorities and circumstances. A well-structured financial plan serves as a guiding force, keeping you on track and accountable throughout your wealth-building journey. Rule number 5, manage your expenses. Be mindful of your spending habits and eliminate unnecessary expenses. Create a budget that prioritizes essential expenses and aligns with your financial goals. Utilize tools like expense tracking apps or spreadsheets to monitor your spending and ensure you stay within the budget. Focus on cutting out unnecessary expenses, such as excessive dining out or impulse purchases, and prioritize spending on items that provide long-term value, like education or experiences. Cultivate mindful spending habits to maximize your financial resources and accelerate wealth building. Rule number 6, avoid bad debt. While some debt can be helpful for wealth creation, like mortgages or business loans, bad debt, such as credit card debt or high-interest loans, can hinder your financial growth. Avoid bad debt by living within your means and using credit responsibly. If you have existing bad debt, create a plan to pay it off as soon as possible. Establishing healthy debt management habits can help you maintain a strong credit score, reduce financial stress, and free up resources for saving and investing. Rule number 7, build your network. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your financial goals and values. A strong network can provide support, advice, and opportunities for personal and financial growth. Attend networking events, join online communities, or participate in local meetups to connect with others interested in building wealth. A strong network can not only enhance your financial knowledge, but also opens doors to new opportunities and connections. Rule number 8, seek professional advice. Consult with financial professionals such as financial planners, accountants, or investment advisors to help you make informed decisions about your money. These experts can provide valuable guidance and help you navigate complex financial situations. Don't hesitate to consult a professional when needed, but always do your research and choose a reputable advisor with a proven track record. Remember, a knowledgeable advisor can be an invaluable asset on your path to financial success. Rule number 9, continue learning and adapting. The world of personal finance is constantly evolving. Stay informed about changes in the economy, investment opportunities, and financial trends. Continuously learning and adapting will help you make better financial decisions and stay ahead of the curve. Engage in conversations with experts and peers to gain diverse perspective and ideas. By remaining curious, open-minded, and adaptable, you'll be better equipped to navigate the ever-changing financial landscape and capitalize on opportunities that come your way. Rule number 10, giving back to your community or supporting charitable causes not only enriches your life, but can also have financial benefits such as tax deductions. More importantly, sharing your wealth and helping others can bring a sense of fulfillment and purpose that money alone can't provide. It's a powerful reminder that true wealth goes beyond monetary success and encompasses the positive impact you can have on others. As you progress on your wealth-building journey, remember to give back and contribute to the greater good. Achieving financial success and building wealth is a journey that requires dedication, discipline, and continuous learning. By understanding the importance of financial education and mastering the rules of money, you can make informed decisions and create a prosperous future for yourself and your loved ones. Remember that the road to financial freedom is a lifelong process, and it's never too late to start learning, growing, and taking charge of your financial destiny. Now, if you found this video helpful and informative, please hit that like button below. It not only shows your support, but also helps others discover this valuable content. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on any future videos packed with essential financial tips and advice. But wait, there's more. We want to hear from you. Share your thoughts, experiences, and personal financial tips in the comment section below. Let's create a supportive community where we can learn from one another and celebrate our financial success together. So what are you waiting for? Take the first step towards financial freedom by committing to your financial education. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone you think could benefit from these essential rules of money. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.